Hello students, how are you? Today I am going to discuss theory of consumer behavior. This is chapter 3, okay, of your class, page number 33. Okay. In last video I have discussed what is utility, definition of utility, characteristics of utility, a law of diminishing marginal utility. In last video I have discussed it. In this video you will know about theory of consumer behavior. Okay, theory of consumer behavior. In last video we know very well what is utility. Utility means what? Needs. Okay, utility means needs. Okay, try to see this definition. In this video we will know about marginal utility and total utility. What is marginal utility? We will know about it. This definition is already given, marginal utility and total utility, in page number 33 in your book. Okay, in spite of I am writing on this on board. Okay, you please see it. Marginal utility, the additional made to the total utility by addition of one more unit of a commodity. Addition one more unit. Okay, total utility is the sum total of all marginal utilities. Which sum total? Which type of sum total? I am going to discuss through this table. Okay, which type of sum total is asking here. Okay, which type of sum total? I am going to discuss this through this table. Then you can understand very easily. Okay, try to see this graph. Quantity of chocolate bar consumed. Quantity of chocolate bar consumed. Total utility. Okay, this is marginal utility. And what is this? Total and marginal utility schedule. Total and marginal utility schedule. Quantity chocolate bar consumed 130 30. Okay, 130 30, there is no change. Okay, 2 50 and 20. How you have 50? 30 plus 20. 30 plus 20. Okay, try to see it. Okay, 30 plus 20. 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. 30, 20 and 15 is equal to 65. Okay, 30, 20 plus 15 plus 10, 75. In this way we will add it and here it will increase. Okay, my marginal utility is decreasing. My marginal utility is decreasing. Suppose I am thirsty. I need 2 glass of water. Okay, I drank 2 glass of water. Okay, if anybody will give another glass of water, then my utility will decrease, not increase. My utility was 30. Now I have drunk the water 20, and another I am drinking the water. Then my utility is decreasing from 30, 20 and 50. In this way, my utility will continuously decrease. Okay, if he will give another glass of water, then I will throw it because I am not thirsty in this time. Okay, my utility is totally finished. Okay, here my utility is totally finished. If he will give again by force, then I will throw it. Okay, so this is total utility. 30, 20, 15, 65, 30, 20, 15, 10, 75. In this way we will add it. Total utility will increase and marginal utility will decrease. Okay, try to see it. My marginal utility is continuously decreasing here, and here is 0. Okay, and here is minus 0, minus 4. Okay, in this way here the total utility is increasing continuously till 19, 98, 99, and here is decreasing from 99 to 95, and here is decreasing. Okay, try to see it. I am going to discuss this. Okay, try to see it. When one chocolate is taken per day, the total utility derived by the person is 30 unit. How much? 30 unit. And marginal utility derived is also 30. Marginal utility is also 30 and total utility is 30 when one chocolate. Okay. This is when the consumption of second chocolate per day, the total utility rises. Consumption of second chocolate, this is second chocolate, rises to 50, but marginal utility falls to 20, falls to 30 to 20. It is 50, but marginal utility falls to 20. Okay. We see that as the consumption of chocolate increases to 10 chocolate, consumption increases to 10 chocolate. Here consumption increases to 10 chocolate continuously. Okay. Marginal utility from the additional chocolate goes on diminishing. Total utility goes on increasing at diminishing rate. However, when the chocolate consumed increased to 11, increased to here 11. Okay. Instead of giving positive marginal utility, the 11th chocolate gives negative marginal utility because it may cause him sickness. Okay. Graphically, we can represent the relationship between total utility and marginal utility also, but we will not. Here I am not making the graph. Just we are going to understand through the table. Okay. Total and marginal utility schedule. Okay. Try to understand in through the numericals. You can understand very easily. When the total utility in your examination, in this way question will be given. Okay. So in 1 marks or 2 marks, then you will have to solve in this way. Okay. This will be given and you will have to solve it. When the total utility rises, the marginal utility diminishes. When the total utility rises, total utility here rises. Okay. 99. Here rises 99. When the total utility rises, the marginal utility diminishes. Marginal utility what? Diminishes. This is marginal utility. Okay. See it. Try to see. Here you can write 1. Okay. When the total utility rises, the marginal utility diminishes. Okay. When here is 99, then total utility will be 1. Marginal utility will 1. Okay. And here 99. Okay. Then here 99 is given. Then again you can also write 99 in 11. Okay. Again 99. And here minus 4 is given. And here writing 0. Okay. And 12. And increasing also 90 from 99 again in 99 and 95. Okay. 95 and here will minus 4. Try to see it. Okay. 30, 50, 65 in this way. 98, 99, 99, 95. 98, 99, 99, 95. 210 minus 4. 210 minus 4. Okay. Try to understand. Try to understand it. When the marginal utility rises, the marginal utility diminishes. When the marginal utility rises, here marginal utility rises. Okay. When the marginal utility rises, this is marginal utility. Okay. Then the marginal utility diminishes. Here marginal utility rises. Okay. Marginal utility, when the total utility rises, this is total utility. Okay. Total utility rises 30, 50, 65, 75, 83. Okay. Here 99. When the total utility rises, this is total utility rises, the marginal utility diminishes. This is marginal utility. 30, 20, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Total utility increased 99, marginal utility decreased 1. 99, 1. Okay. Understood? When the total utility is maximum, here is total utility. Total utility is maximum. Maximum is what? 99. Maximum is what? 99. Understand? After 99, it is going to decrease. 99, marginal utility will 0. Here marginal utility is 0. When the total utility is maximum, then marginal utility is 0. Marginal utility 0. Understood? 3 number. When the total utility is diminishing, from 99 to 95. 99 to 95. Please see. Total utility is diminishing. When the total utility is diminishing, then the marginal utility is negative. Total utility is diminishing from 99 to 95. Marginal utility is negative. Okay. This is negative. -4. Okay. Please see it. In this video, I have discussed theory of consumer behavior. Okay. I have also discussed total utility and marginal utility through table. Next video, you will watch consumer, surplus and equilibrium of this chapter. Thanks for watching this video.